Insta reels, celebrity chat shows, billboards, holiday sales. Currently, you are constantly just overstimulated. ऐसे में थोड़े ठहराव के लिए जैसे ही अचल मिश्रा के नाम से रिमोटली भी जुड़ी किसी भी फिल्म की भनक भी पड़े, तुरंत पहुंच जाओ मूवी पर, मोस्ट लाइकली वही मिलेगी। Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, जहाँ रिव्यूज भी हैं, कुछ इंटरव्यूज भी हैं। आज लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पार्थ सौरभ की लिखित और डायरेक्टेड पोखर के दुनू पार नाउ ऑन मूवी। अचल मिश्रा प्रोड्यूसर हैं और अनुराग कश्यप प्रेजेंटर।
पागल जैसा करेंगे तुम, करेंगे पागल जैसा करेंगे तुम, पागल जैसा।
The talented Abhinav Jha, who you must also watch in Dhui, is Sumit, and equally gifted Tanya Khan Jha is his bride Priyanka. Sumit और प्रियंका दरभंगा से भाग के शादी कर चुके हैं, लेकिन 2 साल दिल्ली में रहने के बाद for unspecified reasons दरभंगा वापस लौटे हैं। As Sumit tries to find a way to earn a living, Priyanka tries to reach family and finds herself questioning her recent life choices. Dhui की तरह ही, the most heartbreaking thing about Pokhar is the naive and fruitless optimism of its protagonists. You know, while in Dhui, Pankaj dreams of leaving Darbhanga to pursue his acting, here Sumit finds himself back in his hometown. मानो he has come back to like tell Pankaj कि बाहर कुछ नहीं रखा, यहीं पर दुकान कुछ चला लो। सुमित के दिल में उम्मीद है पर दिमाग में प्लान नहीं है। There's a luxurious lethargy about him, the kind of confidence some men just have. हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे. Usually reserved for people either with means or with nothing to lose. Frustratingly, Sumit has no means and everything to lose. Hence, his listlessness is extra grating, like nails on a chalkboard. Here, to exacerbate this annoyance with Sumit, the film allows us to enter it through Priyanka, a young woman who isn't just better equipped than Sumit to face the world with her knowledge of English and a more of a go-getter, undefeated attitude, but she also is, by every measure, better than the men she married. As their relationship becomes increasingly unstable and fragile, you're almost cheering her on as she entertains thoughts of leaving her husband to go back to her father's home. In a predictable display of Indian parent cruelty, Priyanka's family has cut her off as well. She can only get messages to her father via a neighbor. Patriarchy once again deciding for women what rules they must confine themselves within or risk their worth coming down to absolute non-existence. Out of money and with no friends to turn to in a town where only men are allowed to even entertain the idea of self-agency, Priyanka has a sum total of 0 good options. पार्थ सौरभ की लिखाई में 4-5 चीजों पर सटल पर सटीक टिप्पणी है। एक, दरभंगा में इंटरनेट पहुंच गया है सालों से, लेकिन उसके चलते जो पॉसिबिलिटीज यूथ जान गए हैं कि मुमकिन है, उनको रियलिटी बनाने के साधन पहुंचाने का प्रयास उस गति से नहीं हो रहा है। दूसरा, हाउ द पैंडेमिक एंड द सब्सिक्वेंट लॉकडाउन चेंज्ड आवर परसेप्शन ऑफ व्हाट कंपेनियनशिप रियली इज वंस वी वर मेड टू इवैल्यूएट आवर रिलेशनशिप्स, क्योंकि और कुछ था ही नहीं करने के लिए। तीसरा, द इंपेरेटिव नीड टू चेंज द आइडिया ऑफ मैस्कुलिनिटी एज वी आर टीचिंग यंग मैन। सुमित को जब हेल्प की जरूरत भी है, ना वो ठीक से वर्बलाइज कर पाता है, even in front of his childhood friends, and even his friend who otherwise is kind-hearted is unable to express a whole lot beyond mumbling mildly reassuring half promises. Pokhar ke dunu par, which translates to both sides of the pond, I think is a borderline exasperating viewing experience. Let me tell you why. Priyanka's helpless inability to choose between a rock and a hard place, and Sumit's gaslighting of her as his equally idiotic friends pull him further away from the right path, will make you squirm in anger. The film's desire effect comes out beautifully in front of Pradeep Vignavelu's patience camera work. He steadily, quietly, and sneakily eavesdrop into long takes of seemingly improvised conversations, giving the actors a real opportunity to play with their characters and the audience to people watch. One scene particularly stands out. Sumit and his friends are loudly and obnoxiously getting drunk off cheap whiskey out of plastic cups on a balcony, talking about the world and each other in all kinds of derogatory ways. As the scene begins to get on your nerves and you're beginning to drift away from the moment and you start wondering why the director is refusing to call cut, the setting immediately changes and you realize that this boy baithak is happening right outside Priyanka's room in the dilapidated hostel she lives in with Sumit. She's listening just on the other side of her open window. So while we were slowly getting mad at these good-for-nothing idiots, So was she. Her rage and agony 10 times worse than ours. In another scene, she kisses her husband almost forcefully to remind herself why she left her house. Even if he can't become the breadwinner for their little family, she's hoping that he at least will be able to give her some carnal joy that she can't find anywhere.
दिल्ली में कैसा हालत है? ऐसी जगह रहना पड़ता है
नहीं नहीं, अभी तो जॉब नहीं है उसके पास, इसलिए।
तो ढूंढ तो रहा है ना।
Gradually, Priyanka makes her way to a point where, like an often appearing unsaddled black horse with long silky black hair like hers, she too feels unburdened and fearless enough to stand in the middle of the road in the middle of the night. But does she realize she's weighing her options throughout? Will she be able to give words to her anguish, demand a stop to Sumit's complacency, or be resigned to her fate like the women around her? Watch the movie on Mubi and find out. There's some excellent acting performances at display here.
18,000 ही है, हम 25 बोले थे ना।
तो बताया था ना, राजीव को दिए एडवांस।
क्यों?
So on a scale of 1 to 10, पोखर के दोनों पार is 30 दिन तक मूवी फ्री मिलता है बाय द वे, अगर नया अकाउंट आप बनाओगे तो धुई भी देख लेना लगे हाथ। रिव्यूज और इंटरव्यूज आ रहे हैं चैनल पर कंटिन्यूसली मोर। सब्सक्राइब कर दो, वो छोटा सा नीचे लाल बटन है इस वीडियो के नीचे, राइट बिफोर द वीडियो, बिफोर यू लीव जस्ट क्लिक। माय नेम इज सुचारिता, थैंक यू फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय।